Friends, today we are going to learn third problem in relation to final accounts of non-profit organization. Here in this problem, opening capital fund is not given. We have to ascertain. Yes, look at the problem. From the following receipts and payment account of a club for the year ended 31st March 2016. So our current year is 15-16. Our previous year is 14-15. Our subsequent year is 16-17. Okay. Prepare final accounts of a club for the above period. Receipts and payment. To balance BD, bank, opening bank given, subscription received, sale of old ball bats, subscription for tournament, 2 legacies, maintenance, furniture, tournament expenses, secretary honorarium, ball bats purchased, closing bank. Okay. Additional information. On 1st April 2015, the club had stock of ball bat, opening ball bat worth rupees 3000 and advance subscription received in 2014-15 rupees 500. Okay. Surplus on account of tournament should be kept in reserve for permanent pavilion. Subscription due on 31st March 2016 was rupees 2000. Stock of ball bats on 31st March 2016 rupees 1000. But in this question, opening capital fund is not given. So we have to find opening capital fund. Yes. Now we have to prepare opening balance sheet. With the help of that, we can ascertain opening capital fund. Yes, look at the question. To balance BD, this is called opening bank. Opening bank. Its value 8,000 rupees. We have to take the information relating to the previous year. We have to take the information relation to the previous year. With the help of that, we can ascertain opening capital fund. Yes, this is a opening bank, so it will be recorded in the asset side. Subscription, sale of old ball bats, subscription of tournament, legacy, maintenance, furniture, tournament expenses, secretary honorarium, ball bat purchased, closing bank. It will not come to the opening balance sheet. Yes, here. First adjustment on 1st April 2015, the club had stock. So opening stock of ball bat, it will be the asset. Stock of ball bats. Opening stock. Its value 3,000 rupees. Then 3,000 and advance subscription received in the last year. So advance subscription is a liability. Advance subscription received in the last year rupees 500. Okay. Then surplus on account of tournament should be kept in reserve for permanent pavilion will not come. Subscription outstanding current year will not come. Closing stock of ball bat will not come to the opening balance sheet. Now I am going to balance it. Asset side total 11,000 minus liability side will get 10,500. This is capital fund. Opening capital fund. Balancing figure. This opening capital fund should be transferred to the closing balance sheet. Should be recorded in the inner column. Now we are going to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Yes, first we are going to mark the adjustment. On 1st April 2015, the club had stock of ball bat. So we have adjustment for ball bat. Then under advance subscription, we have adjustment for subscription. Surplus on account of tournament should be kept in reserve for permanent pavilion. So we have adjustment for tournament receipt and tournament payment. So we have adjustment for subscription for tournament and tournament expenses. Then subscription due at the end of the year. So we have second adjustment for subscription. Then stock of ball bat. We have one more adjustment for ball bat. Yes, now I am going to solve. Subscription received is a revenue receipt. Subscription received is a revenue receipt recorded in the inner column. Then we have two adjustment. One is last year subscription received in advance. So subscription received in advance in previous year. That is in 14-15 we received a subscription in advance. How much? 500. We have to add because last year they received for the current year. Then we have one more adjustment for subscription, that is subscription due on closing date for the current year. So it will be added. Subscription outstanding on 31/3/2016, its value 2000 rupees. So 13,500. The closing outstanding subscription will be recorded in the asset side. Subscription outstanding on 31/3/2016, its value rupees 2000. Okay. Then sale of old ball bats. It is a revenue receipt. It should be recorded in the income side. Sale of old balls and bats. Its value 100 rupees. Then subscription for tournament. Actually, subscription for tournament is a revenue receipt. It should be recorded in the income side. Likewise, tournament expenses is a revenue expenditure. It should be recorded in the expenditure side. But we have adjustment. What they said, surplus on account of tournament should be kept in reserve for permanent pavilion. So we have to create a reserve for the permanent pavilion with the help of the surplus on account of tournament. Yes, reserve for pavilion. Reserve for pavilion we have to create. The amount received, how much? Subscription for tournament 2000. So subscription for tournament we received 2000 rupees. We incurred tournament expenses, how much? For 1400. So tournament expenses should be deducted. Tournament expenses should be deducted. Its value 1400. So the 600 we kept reserve for pavilion. Okay. Then legacy. Legacy is a capital receipt. It will be recorded in the liability side. Legacy is a capital receipt recorded in the liability side. Then we'll move to the payment side. First one is maintenance. Is a revenue expenditure. It should be debited. It should be recorded in the expenditure side. Maintenance, its value 5000 rupees. Next, furniture recorded in the payment side. That means that we purchased during the year. Furniture purchased during the year. It is a capital expenditure recorded in the asset side. Value 15,000. Tournament expenses. The difference between subscription for tournament and tournament expenses we transfer to the reserve for permanent pavilion. So we can leave it. Then secretary honorarium. It is a revenue expenditure recorded in the expenditure side. Secretary honorarium. It's about 4,500. Then ball bat. We have two adjustments. Since here we have opening ball bat and closing ball bat, we have to find ball bat consumed. 2 balls and bats used or consumed. What is the formula? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. In payment side given is 7,400, that is purchases. In adjustment, opening stock and closing stock. Opening ball bats 3000, closing ball bat 1000. So opening ball bat 3000, closing ball bat 1000. So what is the rule? Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock balance. This closing stock of ball bat, closing stock of balls and bats recorded in the asset side. Then we have the last item, closing bank. It is recorded in the asset side bank, closing bank. Its value 7,800. Then after considering all items in the receipts and payment account, we should go through the information, additional information. So opening stock of ball bat. Opening stock of ball bat recorded in the opening balance sheet asset side, and in expenditure side it will be included in the ball bats used. Next, advance subscription. Last year advance subscription recorded in the opening balance sheet liability side, and in income side it should be added with the subscription received. Then surplus on account of tournament should be kept in reserve for permanent pavilion. We have two items in relation to the tournament. One is subscription received for tournament, another one is tournament expenses. Generally, subscription for tournament is a revenue receipt. Should be recorded in the income side. Tournament expenses should be recorded in the expenditure side. But here these two we should transfer to the balance sheet, because we should treat the difference as reserve for permanent pavilion. So we should, in balance sheet, we should write reserve for permanent pavilion, subscription received for tournament minus tournament expenses, we'll get that value considered as reserve for permanent pavilion. Then subscription due, current year outstanding subscription should be added with the subscription received in the income side and the same value recorded in the asset side. Then closing stock of Ballybat, it should be deducted from the opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock of Ballybat. The value should be recorded in the asset side too. Okay students, here now we have to close this. Now we have to close the income and expenditure account. In this problem, debit side is heavier than credit side. So debit side value 18,900. 18,900 minus the credit total balance 5,300 will get, that we called deficit. That we called deficit, balancing figure. Excess of expenditure over income. It should be, this deficit should be deducted from the capital fund. Deficit should be deducted from the capital fund. 0025. 0025. So our balance sheet total is, already I recorded 25,800. 25,800. Students, we completed third problem in relation to the final accounts of non-profit organization. Next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.